Woke up today, another day, another YouTube video. Private dogs. What? Aw, hey girl. Oh, so sweet. What about you, Sonny? Sonny's our boy. He's the only boy we got. Oh, here comes Lady. Jealous girl. She's playful. She's literally a puppy. This is our oldest dog. Val's old as me, and I'm 10 years old, turning 11 soon. Shoes on. Shoes on. Hey everyone! Hey! Duke! Hey Sally! Hey chickens! What are y'all doing? Duke doesn't really like being petted, but Sally loves. And she's actually in my profile picture. I can describe if you can think I can score. Alright, whoa! Almost tripped. And... oh! If you subscribe, thank you. I was just trying to do something cool. There's our neighbor dogs. Choco, Missy, and Shep. That's Shep. Hey! Stop! Stop! Missy and Choco were crazy. They jumped on me. Scratched my leg. She's okay right now, but still, I just wanted to check on her. She likes hiding behind her. There's one of our chickens. It's our old chicken. Oh! We also got chicks. Yeah, I think that we got at least one rooster. That little dot one. Like, let me show you. Right there. You see that one? We think that's a boy, but we're not really sure. Mama has two chicks. Right there's one of them. Where's the second one? Oh! There they are. They're both right there. Hey, Caesar! Hey, buddy! So Caesar's our rooster. We actually got another rooster. He's way back there, though. You can see him. He's hopping. It's because he had 4 chicks, and the mama and the chicks are his babies. Well, not the mama. But we still got a ton of chicks from him. Feed out duck by itself, right next to my basketball. That right there, that's Maple. She is our duck, but she thinks that she's a chicken because for most of her life she lived with a chickens. And we also got some other ducks. I don't know where they are though. I'm trying to make this a long video, but yeah, it's a pretty long video. So we got quite a bit of animals. We got 48 right now. Well, no, 47. I don't want this to be a long video, but it's gonna be a long video. Oh, hey dinosaur. I call them dinosaurs. When they're like Krispy Kreme Wood Bar, I don't know, but we call them dinosaurs. They're just so small. And they're like and they're older than the turkeys. And besides, there are the meat turkeys. Anyways, that is Duke. That's Sally. Sally's the sweeter one, but Duke is more skittish. And that's gonna wrap up this video. See you in the next video.